Japan, a place where history doesn't fade, it evolves. From ancient traditions to cities rebuilt from ashes, Tokyo, Yokohama, and Kobe, 3 cities, 3 stories that changed Japan forever. Before it was Tokyo, it was Edo, quiet fishing village that would become the center of power in Japan. Samurai once walked these streets where millions now rush past each other every day. At Sensoji, Tokyo whispers its past, a temple that survived wars, fires, and time itself. But Tokyo's story isn't just about growth, it's about survival. After destruction, after rebuilding, Tokyo didn't just return, it transformed into one of the most powerful cities in the world. Then came Yokohama, a city that changed everything. In the 1800s, Japan opened its doors to the world, and Yokohama became the gateway. Foreign ships arrived, new ideas entered, and Japan began to change forever. Walking through Yokohama Chinatown, you don't just see culture, you see history colliding. East meets West. Tradition meets transformation. Yokohama didn't just grow, it connected Japan to the rest of the world. Kobe, a city of beauty and resilience. One of Japan's first international ports where cultures blended and new identities formed. But in 1995, everything changed. The Great Hanshin earthquake shook the city and left it in ruins. Yet today, Kobe stands rebuilt, stronger, wiser. A reminder that even after devastation, a city can rise again. Tokyo, Yokohama, Kobe, these aren't just cities. They're living history, stories of power, of change, of survival. And the question is, when you visit Japan, will you just see it, or will you understand it? Watch to the end and start planning your Japan bucket list today, because history isn't behind you. In Japan, it's all around you.